So this is an interesting tool. It's extremely handy if you own a car or work on things with little plastic tabs. So a lot of mechanics hate them. They are brittle, they're terrible to work with, they break. But this thing here it allows you to get under one of these. You'll recognize them when you go to your car. If you have any sort of modern vehicle, these tabs are in a lot of places, especially like the trunk area. But you use this tool as a pry, and you go underneath and then pop the little plastic tab up. It's got a like crooked neck kind of, and that allows you to really get some torque in there close, even if you're in a small area. This particular head is squared off, which is interesting. I have one that is circular, but I'm guessing this one works a little better just because it conforms to whatever you're working on and wouldn't slide with the circular kind of handle and shaft. But I've used it a ton, and like I said, I have a bunch of these, and they fit in all sorts of different types of vehicles. They're kind of like universal, and I got this off Amazon. So basically it comes with 20 of each, and you will go through these because basically once you start taking these out, the teeth on the edges, they get ruined. You can sometimes reuse them. These ones are definitely more reusable, where they expand the lower half, kind of like things you put into the wall and then you put a screw in. I'm blanking on the name of it. So you can reuse these, but you pop it out a little differently. Pop out this part first or that part, and then you'll be able to pull out the little housing for the screw or whatever tab. But I'll put a link for this. This may actually have come in here, but it's been super useful. If you're gonna have to buy any of these individually, you're gonna go and spend like $3 to $5 online or at the store. So my recommendation, if you do any sort of car work yourself, get one of these. And if you have a different recommendation, leave it below in the comments about a different tool you use when when doing car work.